Okay, so this is Truth Tables by Felix McGowan. So the AND gate is the first gate we'll be looking at, and the AND gate is just a bit more complicated than a normal switch. It has only two inputs, and as an electrical circuit, it can be best represented as two switches in a series. It requires both switches to be in the one state for an output to be one, and the truth table is shown below. Next one is an OR gate. It can be represented as two switches in parallel, meaning only one of them has to be activated for the output to be one, and if both switches are open, then the output will be zero. So a NOT gate is very simple. It just reverses the input. So if the input is a 1, it's a 0. If the input is 0, it's a 1. And all the symbols are shown top right. The NAND gate, or NAND, is a gate very similar to AND, but it just has a NOT gate at the end without actually having to have a NOT gate at the end. So it, as you can see below, the first three columns are just an AND gate, and the last one just reverses the output of an AND. The NOR gate is very similar to the AND gate. It just, instead of an AND, it's an OR. So the truth table is shown below. The XOR gate can be described as one or the other, but not both. So similar to an OR gate, but if both inputs are 1, then it outputs a 0. So if the inputs are the same, the outputs are 0.